Welcome guys. So let's quickly talk about forex instruments. So let me explain it a little first before we go into the MT4, MT5 app to see how we can add or remove forex instruments. Okay, so what are forex instruments? Forex instruments are the tradable assets, commodities in the forex market. It's as simple as that. Okay, so these are the things you can actually trade. Okay, and in the forex market, you can actually trade almost anything, ranging from currency pair. The major thing people trade is currency pair, but other than that, you could trade other things. You can even trade stocks, you can trade crypto, you could trade something as low as sugar, you could even trade sugar. Okay, so you can trade almost anything in the forex market. So these are forex instruments. Okay, now the forex instrument that you see is going to depend on the broker you are using. Different type of brokers offer different forex instruments. Okay, like MT5, for example, let's say derivative broker. Derivative broker offer synthetic indices. They have a group of financial assets and they have other group of synthetic assets. Okay, so these synthetic indices are, let me show you. Let's go to MT5 app. Okay, so this is my derivative MT5 app. We're going to go to MT4 soon. Okay, so these are the instruments, the synthetic instruments that are offered by derivative. Okay, you see volatility 10, volatility 100, volatility 25, volatility 50, 75, step index, boom and crash 500. There are a lot of other ones that you could actually see. So each of these instruments depends on the broker. Okay, so for now, derivative is the only broker that could offer you synthetic indices. Okay, for now, that is volatility 10 and all these other ones. All right, and also have their financial. They have the financial assets too, where you can trade currency pair in MT5. You can even trade currency pair in MT5. So they have that financial. You get to choose it. They have the financial assets. You get to choose it when you are opening an account. Okay. So this is for MT5. I'm going to show you how to add or subtract forex instruments soon. Okay. So let's go to MT4. So these are MT4. Okay. If you can see MT4, you mostly trade currency pairs. Okay, currency pairs. I can see some of our open trades. Okay, this is the chart. I believe you all know how to use the app, your MT4, MT5 app. All right. Okay, so these are tradable instruments. So how do we add or remove trading or forex instruments actually? Okay, you can see Euro US, you can see USD JPY. How do we add or remove anyone from here? Okay, I have to make sure that my data is on first. All right, the network is disturbing me here. That's why I can't do this. Network is disturbing me here. Let me use the MT5 forum for this lesson. Okay, so if you see the MT5, look at this plus sign. All right, just tap on it. You're going to see different subsets of forex instruments. So this is volatility indices. You can see volatility 10 index, 25 index, that is 25 1S index, now to 300 1S index. You can see range break. You can see jump indices. You can see DX indices, you can see basket indices. This is AUD basket, Euro basket. I don't really trade these ones per se. Okay, you can see the wrap indices. So all these stuffs are synthetic indices. They are not the real market. Okay, they are simulations of the real market. Okay, so if you want to add anyone from here, all you have to do is just tap on it. Okay, you see that one have already disappeared, and I have gone to my watch list now. If I want to add 25 1S index, I'll just tap on it. 51 1S index, I'll just tap on it. Okay, so if I go back, look at this arrow here to go back. If I go back, scroll down, I'm going to see, look at the 10 1S index I added now, 25 1S index and 51 1S index. Okay, so I can open the charts and probably analyze. Network is actually bad here now. Okay, network is actually disturbing me. But if it could open, I could actually analyze the charts, then maybe take my trade. If I see anything that is worth trading. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, this is MT5. So in MT4, the same thing. You can see this plus sign here. Okay, sign here. You see, just tap on it, then you're going to see different subsets of the instruments that are available to you. Just, you see forex here now, you can tap on it. You see AUD, SGD, there is this Australian dollar to Singapore dollar, CHF, you can see each of them. Okay, ordinarily you would have been seeing something like Euro USD and all of that, but I've already added them here. You can see it here: Euro USD, USD JPY, JP USD. Each of these stuff are the stores I actually look at for almost every day. Okay, so if we go back there, you see this, This is the forex subgroup. You can see any of the forex instrument that is the currency page you actually want. You can see indices. Okay, this is where you see GER 30. You can see then GER 40, a US 200. This is where you're going to see US 100. I already have that already because I even took a trade on it yesterday. Okay, look at the USA 100. That is NASDAQ. All right, so these indices. Okay, now this is spot oil. These are shares, and these are stuff that you could actually just trade if you wanted to. These are futures. Okay, you can see them. You can see them, and look at crypto. You can also trade this. Okay, you can trade this like in the forex market. All right, so these are commodities. You see cocoa, you see coffee, copper, cotton, palladium, sugar, down to sugar. If we even trade sugar, you see oil, you see bonds. So these are just, there are just a lot of forex instruments available to you, depending on the one you want to trade. Okay, and this is gold, this is silver. So all you have to do is whenever you want to pick anyone, just tap on it like I've explained. Just okay, this is cocoa now. I'm tapping on cocoa, sugar. All right, and you just go back, scroll down. You're going to see there. You see sugar. I'm opening the chart now. Okay, so this is your chart. You can analyze and maybe take your trade if you see anything worth trading. Okay, so this is it. And if you want to remove anyone, probably maybe your watch list is filled up and you want to remove anyone, just click on this. You see this pencil button here, just click on it. Okay, tap on anyone you want to remove. All right, for now let me remove the sugar, cocoa that I just added. Click on this delete button above here. So cocoa, let me remove Bitcoin to USD. Okay, let me move Bitcoin Cash to US dollar, and all I have to do is just what, tap delete, and it'll be out. So when you go back there, you're not going to see it again. Okay, you're not going to see it again. All right, so this is it, guys. This is how you could add or remove any forex instrument that you want. Okay, so just to show you some of our trades, these are open trades. Okay, we've been on the buy in this trade for over 3 weeks now. Okay, this is a swing trade. Okay, and it's been going our way ever since. All right, so but that's not the aim of today's video. Okay, so I hope you understand everything I told you here. Remember, forex instruments are the tradable assets or commodities you could trade in the forex market, and I've shown you how you could remove, add anyone you want to do in both MT4 and MT5 app. You may want to ask the broker that I use Hot Forex Broker. The link will be in the description if you want to open an account with them, because they have a lot of forex instruments available to you that you could trade from. So if you want to register your account, or open your demo account or a re-account with Hot Forex Broker, just click the link in the description and you'll be directed on how to do it. All right.